Advanced Pharmacology is an incredibly challenging course to teach. There are currently 20,000 drugs on the market with new indications and guidelines coming out every day. Making sure learners are ready for prescriptive authority is a daunting task.
You deserve to partner with a company whose goal is to empower and equip nurse practitioners. When you use our lectures to flip the classroom, you can feel confident that your learners are laying a firm foundation in pharmacology.
Our CEO and founder, Dr. Anthony Bustai, has a unique background as a healthcare provider and medical educator. He trained and practiced as a nurse, clinical pharmacist, and a physician. He also served in faculty roles in both nurse practitioner and pharmacy programs.
Our up-to-date lectures reflect Dr. Bustai's 360-degree understanding of pharmacology. Our lectures are clinically relevant, evidence-based, and make hard concepts easy to understand. We have quizzes and provide lecture usage reports to make sure learners stay on track.
Imagine learners approaching course time, whether that is in person, online, synchronous, or asynchronous, having already completed the didactic portion of the content. You then have the freedom and flexibility for educational experiences and engagement that prepare learners for practice.
When you partner with High Yield, you're partnering with a company that knows what is at stake and is invested in your success.